Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how to install Python in Windows. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python is a great language to learn. Let's get started. For download the Python installer, go to the Python website and navigate to the section. Select the latest version of Python 3. And click on the Windows Installer 64 link to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the folder wherever you download the installer. And run the Python installer, double-click the installer file to run it. On the first screen, select the Add Python 3.x to Path checkbox. This will make it easier to run Python from the command line. Then click Install Now. Subscribe for more tutorial like this. Let's verify the installation. To verify that Python is installed, open the command prompt or PowerShell. Type in Python and press Enter. If the installation was successful, you should see the Python 3.11.1, which is the interactive shell that allows you to write and run Python code. Now, you've successfully installed Python on your Windows machine. You can now start exploring the language and writing your own programs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.